In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video into a Google Slides presentation. This is a super handy skill, especially when you want to add a dynamic element to your slides and make your points more engaging and compelling. To start, head over to Google Slides, simply open your preferred web browser, and type in the Google Slides URL. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. This step is crucial because you need to be logged in to access and edit your presentation seamlessly. Now that you're logged in and at the Google Slides homepage, it's time to create a new blank presentation. On the right-hand side, you'll see an option to create, usually with a plus sign icon. Click that to open a fresh new slide deck. This is where the magic happens as we incorporate the video element. With your blank presentation open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Look for the tab labeled Insert. Clicking on it will drop down a menu of options you can add to your slide. Here, we're interested in video. Go ahead and click that option. A new window will pop up with different ways to add video content. You can search directly from YouTube, or if you already have a specific video in mind, paste the YouTube URL into the provided field. Pasting a link is quick and ensures you're embedding the exact content you want. Once you've selected or pasted your video, a preview will appear so you can double check it's the right one. Click Select, and just like that, the video is now embedded into your slide. From here, you can resize and reposition the video however you like. Simply click and drag the corners to adjust the size or move it around the slide until it fits perfectly with your layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a YouTube video to your Google Slides presentation. With this feature, your slides instantly become more engaging because you're combining visuals, sound, and content all in one place. As a bonus tip, consider experimenting with slide transitions and simple animations to complement the video playback. These extra touches can help maintain your audience's attention and make your presentation feel more polished and professional. Well done. You've just taken your presentation skills to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.